Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on Fiverr. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fiverr.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Fiverr website where you can log into your account by clicking on the login button at the top right corner if you haven't done so already. Now, once you have been logged into your account, you will be taken into your homepage. Now, if you wish to change your phone number, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and then click on Settings. Now, from the Settings page, click on Security and now you will see the phone verification option. Click on the Edit button at the right side if you wish to change your phone number. You will then be asked to answer your security question. After answering the security question, you can click on Continue and you will be allowed to enter your desired new phone number. Just type in your desired new phone number and then continue forward and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your phone. Just enter this verification code within the next screen and then continue forward and your phone number will successfully be changed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your phone number on Fiverr. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.